I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, update system software, and the Game Center app so Ultra Game Mode is available. Once done, open Settings, search for Game Space or Game Assistant, and enable it. Next, open Game Space and tap the plus or add button to include the game you want to accelerate. This registers the app so the mode can apply performance and network optimizations. Make sure the game shows as active in the Game Space list before proceeding to performance tweaks. You now enter the core setup. Launch the game via GameSpace to reveal the Game Assistant overlay. Tap the icon to open settings and turn on Ultra Game Mode or Performance Mode. This boosts CPU/GPU priority. Then, set the FPS cap and display resolution. Higher FPS increases smoothness, but raises temperature and battery draw. Also enable network acceleration or reduced latency if available, and activate touch optimization and back. You finish by locking in stability. Enable Do Not Disturb, block calls/notifications in GameSpace, and lock screen brightness to prevent sudden shifts. If the phone feels hot, lower resolution or frame rate, consider a cooling accessory. If Ultra Game Mode fails to engage, clear the Game Center cache, reinstall the Game Center app, and restart the device. If problems persist, remove and re-add the game to GameSpace. That fixes registration errors and usually restores Ultra Mode functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.